I call on the Department of Labor and the Bureau of Immigration to perform their jobs. There are enough laws on this point. But if the implementers are not performing their jobs, you can have 5 volumes of laws on migrant workers and you will not be able to do anything. There is, to me, the number of workers in the POGO business is an indication that the law is not being enforced.
So, the mere fact na yung Chinese ambassador ay nagsabi na hindi nila kinukonsinti yung illegal entry and employment ng kanilang mga national, dapat ba sila mismo yung mag-discourage sa mga Chinese national na nag-ooperate ng online gaming dito na wag nilang kunin illegally yung kanilang mga national?
Yes. That statement is in order that the POGO operators here should observe our laws by not illegally recruiting these workers to go into the operations without appropriate working permits.